Din hija l-poddata numru 452 fis-sensiela ta' Mużika mod ieħor flimkien miegħi Toni Sant. Fil-poddata llum se nisimgħu minn Brandon Jackson, Caro, Kid Crisis u Melchior Sultana. U llum nibdew bdejn mingħand Empire of the Ants.
I believe in you, I believe in you, 'cause I know it's true, so true. As the time flies by, you can't tell me why. All I gotta do is talk to you. The way you make me feel, the way you make me feel. I dive into your eyes, your eyes. Icarus, to your star. Icarus, to your star. Falling down. You got a winning smile. You got a winning smile. What am I to do without you? So don't go away. Don't you go away. Say you'll always stay, don't go. If you care for me, then just let it be. The way it's meant to be, these wings. Icarus, to your star. Icarus, to your stars. Icarus, to your stars. Icarus, to your stars. Falling down. I believe in you, I believe in you, 'cause I know it's true, so true. As the time flies by, you can't tell me why. All I gotta do is talk to you. The way you make me feel, the way you make me feel. I dive into your eyes, your eyes. I believe in you, I believe in you, 'cause I know it's true, so true.
Icarus minant Empire of the Ants laqana l-poddatora fis-sensiela ta' Mużika mod ieħor flimkien miegħi Toni Sant numru 452 f'din is-sensiela u l-għandna poddata mimlija bħalma insomma jkollna f'kull puntata wara kollox. U mill-ewwel induru għal xi ħaġa oħra hawnhekk hija id-debut ta' kantant li ilna nisimgħuh ma' diversi gruppi matul is-snin f'din is-sensiela ta' poddati. Id-debut tiegħu bħala solista ħareġ ftit tal-ġimgħat ilu fil-11 ta' April ta' l-2016 inna referi għal Brandon Jackson u din hija This Time.
I want to find myself again, to shed this severed skin and maybe redeem myself this time. Treat me to a smile. You make everything worthwhile, and then you steal my breath away. from everything, and then I scream myself awake. Sometimes you think you're standing tall, but then you turn and fall. The higher up, the further down. And I still remember there's something about this place, the rain beating on my face, the sadness in your eyes, and I'm trying to understand what it takes to be a man, what it takes for you to see that it's you I need. Yes, you I believe. It's you I believe. I want to find myself again, to shed this silvered skin and maybe redeem myself this time.
Brandon Jackson hemmhekk u This Time. U id-dettalji bħal dejjem sibuhom permezz ta' ToniSant.com li għal-website personali tiegħi fejn sibu anka il-videos individwali tas siltiet li għandna fil-poddata tal-lum, imma anke sibu il-poddati il-puntati preċedenti ta' din is-sensiela ta' poddati u sibu wkoll b'mod mill-aktar faċli kif tagħmlu kuntatt miegħi. Ħalli naqlbu daqsxejn l-istil issa u morru għal naqra hip-hop, fil-fatt iż-żewġ siltiet illi ġejjin jistgħu jiġu klassifikati b'dan il-mod. L-ewwel waħda mingħand 215 Collective jew inkella preċiżament minn membru ta' 215 Collective li ismu Karo. Din hija Don't Say.
Hold myself quietly, undeniably, tiredly. Brave face on, being covered by my anxieties. Writing down these bars whilst the fire burns inside of me. I mention from a moment like I'm suffering from LSD heavily. Writing bars seems to be the remedy. I cleverly possess that power to flow energy, power to flow wisdom, power to flow youth. In a world where trusted leaders bullshit you about the truth. I've been saying what I mean and boy there ain't no changing that. I've been faced with situations that have made me who I am. You believe in something real bad till it's pointless, real and you no longer question it cause it's the reason that your legs stand. Hiding from the streets, it's highly likely that I'll never be law-abiding citizen with bags and bags of energy which I'll use just to spark and stop my fuse. Pray to God it won't go off cause planet Earth will be doomed. I've got stars in my eyes and blueprints in my brain, holding on to my beliefs like I won't see them again. Well I guess that's the truth and it speaks for itself. Clearly helps pivot off a shelf directly down to a harness belt. Pointless shit, I know it is. I thought I'd have a go at this. Surprisingly I feel as if I'm really down to flow with it, cause nothing's ever hit me quite as hard as it has. Pressure rising to the point my bones about to collapse. My nervous system twitching rhythms like bad kids who don't listen, analyze the situation, let the story unfold. I picture life from a different angle, perspective different from shit we're conditioned for. So listen, tell me, is that really fitted? Holding back on something special I know that could work. Know it's worth trying my best to try and protect it well, and that I will do. Promise that I'll shield you, and all that stand behind me, I'll be sure you have the best view. Flow sicker than half these people, I figure, so I'm loaded, spitting venom, pre-designed to chase your ass and get your pre-designed by its predecessor. Top professor banned from planet Earth for breeding demons in a church he entered. The rest is censored, maybe I don't remember. Maybe my head is spinning, or maybe it's gone forever. Something I didn't plan, ticking every star known to man like a time bomb, ticking seconds till it blows up the land. I'm getting older with a certain weight resting on my shoulders, and I'll keep it by my side until my days on earth are over. Opened up my eyes, it's gonna make me realise there's more to live in life just to serve somebody else's sights. Cause I got goals and ambitions, and I'll support being different. I'm being haunted by visions that lock me into submission. I'll hold my head real high, everything I got is what I'll give. Welcome to where my dreams live. I'm growing hungry and the hunger never seems to fade. Falling through the floor and I'm scared to say that I can't be saved. I dive deep in the deepest depths, climb all the steepest steps just to get a glimpse of how real this can really get. And I swear it's getting real enough, full of stuff, smooth and rough. I feel as if I've had enough. Looking to the clouds above, trying to figure out the odds of favour, reasons why to stop. My head's about to pop.
Don't Say Mek mela minant Karolija, l-ewwel minn żewġ siltiet ta' hip-hop li għandna fil-poddat tal-lum, u forsi xi ftit mhux ta' soltu għalija wkoll li l-hip-hop li qed indoq illum mhuwiex hip-hop bil-Malti għalkemm ġej minant rappers Maltin. U fil-fatt qabel indoqilkom is-sil tal-limis tajjeb li nfakkarkom ukoll fil-Malta Music Memory Project li sibuh fuq m3p.com.mt, hemmhekk niġbru aħna il-memorji ta' dak kollu li jkun għaddej, u allura naturalment id-dettalji dwar ix-xena tal-mużika hip-hop f'Malta u l-hip-hop bil-Malti u anke hip-hop mhux bil-Malti minn Maltin sibu aktar dwaru permezz ta' dik il-website. It-tieni silta ġejja minant Kid Crisis illi ftit tal-ġimgħatilu ħareġ album ieħor. L-album ta' Kid Crisis ħareġ fit-13 ta' Mejju tal-2016 u din id-darba jismu Kisses, Questions and Dreams XYZ inkella. Minnu se nisimgħu s-silta li huwa ħareġ bħala l-ewwel single biex tindaq anke fuq l-istazzjonijiet tar-radju jisimha Cara Delevingne.
Late nights of that good shit, living life like I should, bitch. Maxing out the trash of the town, but whatever, life's nothing of a dope with shit. So I've been staying out just smoking shit. Got a bottle right here, just open it. Take a sip, take another real quick, then take a whiff, let's blow this bitch. It's dumb, but we just living crazy. Like me, shut them at all hazy. Like out till 5 in the morning, life's never boring. We doing shit all day and night. Yeah, I've been grabbing hard and snapping moments like I'm famous. Even though I'm nameless, I guess that makes me basic. Don't care. I'm just living life by taking risks and making memories. Cause I ain't waiting till I die to get to heaven, G. So I'm using all my time and energy to fuck shit up while drinking all the alcohol and burning up true plenty trees. Yeah, we do it daily and we do it nightly. I mean, you see I'm obsessed with good times and I agree. So I'm living life like it's a fucking video, and I'm waiting for Cara to come and make a cameo. Getting faded off of that green, acting wild and obscene, doing shit like I'm a big name, and I'm dating Cara Delevingne like I'm eating lunch with a queen or buying expensive things. Yeah, I'm doing shit like I'm a big name, and I'm dating Cara Delevingne. Cause no, I ain't rich, ain't got a lot of things. I'm still loving life like I'm dating Cara Delevingne, dating Cara Delevingne. Cara Delevingne, but I'm still loving life like I'm dating Cara Delevingne. Like I've been listening to the Tang and drinking something with Coke and posting pics online to be my ting, blowing some smoke like I'm eating steak dinner, then going home for dessert. Like I found me a strong girl who's too bad to be from this earth. That's that honest shit. Other than music, that's all it is. Other than that, it's just ball, I guess. Just me and my squad straight going in. I'm living life of that next year, talking about that PS5, that pizza shit with weed and shit. Straight chilling out with my guys, turning up from sundown to sunup. We still on it, come up. We still 19, we're likely to make moves till we all went up and make a parents crowd and disappointed, but at the same time. Cause yeah, they like life to be simple. We just love living online. I mean, we live it small, but damn, I got a plan. I get so rich, I'll use truffle butter to lubricate a pan. And when I'm that famous, I'll put that shit on video and surprise you all when Cara makes a cameo. Getting faded off of that green, acting wild and obscene, doing shit like I'm a big name, and I'm dating Cara Delevingne like I'm eating lunch with a queen or buying expensive things. Yeah, I'm doing shit like I'm a big name, and I'm dating Cara Delevingne. Cause no, I ain't rich, ain't got a lot of things. I'm still loving life like I'm dating Cara Delevingne, dating Cara Delevingne. Cara Delevingne, but I'm still loving life like I'm dating Cara Delevingne. It's not all good, my life's not a fairy tale plot. The point is I'm living big with a little shit that I got. Ain't got a lot of money, but I'm still blowing that guap. Yeah, I'm living life and I'm living right. I ain't sitting tight in my spot and waiting day and night for God to come and save me. So I'm doing this shit daily, and some might call me crazy, but I ain't stopping till I'm on that motherfucking runway. No modeling, no, I ain't stopping till I'm the target for most of gossiping. I'm ambitious, I won't lie, we the bad bitches. Fast cars and mad riches. Now tell me how important that shit is. Why you rolling in the paper and kissing the bitch's neck? But that ain't all life is for me. I want way more than you get. I want money, music, and sex. I want drugs, stats, and models. I wanna give my parents their dues back with some $1,000 extra. I wanna live life like it's something that you would watch on video. I wanna live life like it's
normal for Cara to make a cameo.
getting faded off of that green, acting wild and obscene, doing shit like I'm a big name and I'm dating Cara Delevingne, like I'm eating lunch with a queen or buying expensive things. Yeah, I'm doing shit like I'm a big name and I'm dating Cara Delevingne. Cause no, I ain't rich, ain't got a lot of things. I'm still loving life like I'm dating Cara Delevingne, dating Cara Delevingne, Cara Delevingne. But I'm still loving life like I'm dating Cara Delevingne.
Cara Delevingne mek minant Kid Crisis mill-album ġdid tiegħu li jismu Kisses, Questions and Dreams. Semmejtilkom aktar kmini il-website ToniSant.com, però li mattilkomx huwa li apparti li tistgħu tagħmlu kuntatt miegħi permezz ta' dik il-website u npixir dejjem nisma' minantkom l-intom li segu din il-sensiela ta' poddati. Tajjeb ukoll li ngħidilkom li tistgħu anke tagħmlu kuntatt miegħi permezz ta' l-Facebook jew nkella Twitter u issa anka permezz ta' l-Instagram. Insomma, dettalji dejjem permezz ta' ToniSant.com. U biex nagħlqu l-poddata tagħna llum għandi silta minn album li propjament ħareġ is-sena li għaddiet fl-2015 immili ħafna biex indoq xi ħaġa minnu. L-album jismu Mediterranean Album u huwa minant Melchior Sultana. Minant Melchior Sultana allura minn Mediterranean Album se nisimgħu Things Change. ta' Things Change minant Melchior Sultana mill-album tiegħu Mediterranean Album. Għana ġejna f'tmiem tal-poddata tagħna l-ukoll fis-sensiela ta' mużika mod ieħor flimkien miegħi Toni Sant. Se nerġgħu ta' darb'oħra fakrarkom bħal dejjem li d-dettalji u l-kuntatt huma permezz ta' ToniSant.com u minn qalbi nawguralkom is-saħħa.